Here is the website that I just want to show everybody, Vedantu. Amir Khan endorsed it. This really is something that we found and we're quite amazed by it. Just to explain how this works, this is grade 11 is the first year of A level, and that's the second year of A level. So these are the 2 years before university, and this would be the final year of CXE or O level, as we would understand it, or grade 10, 9, 8 in India. There are live classes that you can attend to get a feel for it, but I just want to show you that what's magic about this website. Okay, so once you log in, once you go through the process, what you find is something like this. This is for Sita. So what we paid for is, this is A level, first year A level, and there's the light version, the classic version, or the Pro Plus, which is the one that we went for. And inside there's a magical feature which is worth getting, which is unlimited doubt solving. Now, once you pay this fee, which is in rupees, you are covered for physics, chemistry, maths, biology at the A level. The features that it applies is all the courses are live for a full year, and you get access to everything that's basically online. And this feature I'm going to demonstrate quickly as well, which I think is magical. So you go to my schedule, let's say my courses, these are the ones that Sita has registered for. So you can see she's taken mathematics, chemistry, biology, and if I go to my schedule, so this is a class that she will attend on the 21st of December, but let me show you something that she has attended in the past. So I go to past, and if I go to this one here, chemical, you can see that I can get access to the notes. Everything that you're about to see, you can get access to the notes, or you can replay. So this is a live replay, and what was really impressive is that the video quality of the replay is exactly the same as if you're watching it live. Now, I'm using an iMac, so I have to use the try alternate replay, and it works really well. So I'll show you some of the key features that happens, okay? And so this is an example.
We studied about calcitonin. We studied that it is a hypoglycemic hormone, that when you are taking a lot of milk, you have enough calcium in your body. This hormone will make sure that
So you can see the quality of the slides. Okay, so one of the key features is that they ask questions in between, and this was really nice.
oxytocin, ACTH,
just listen into this.
Okay, who controls the concentration of urine? We are studying the chapter chemical integration and coordination. I want to remind you because when I was a student, I remember मेरे साथ कभी-कभी होता था, मैं चैप्टर का नाम भूल जाती थी. नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाते वक्त मेरे को याद ही नहीं रहता कौन सा चैप्टर चल रहा है. And I will be like, oh, like this. So that's why, the chapter is chemical coordination and integration. Chalo, start karte. Take your time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Concentration of urine के लिए which hormone is responsible?
Okay, so what's happening here is that you can click on answer A, B, C, or D.
क्या expect कर सकते हैं?
And then you will see if your answer was right or wrong, and then you
because it hurts.
You'll receive a star if you get it right.
Please revision come यार. Revise करके आया करो class. है ना? From next year, from January 1, take this resolution that we will revise and come. So guys, you have we have 81% of the students have already answered. बाकी बच्चों, Santa Claus gift देगा तभी आप आंसर करेंगे. 3, 2, 1, and time up. It's very easy question. What is that? ADH, right? Thank God, 60% of you are correct. But D, none of the above भी हो सकता है. नहीं. ACTH भी हो सकता है. No, it's ADH, right? Antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin, right? How it does the concentration of urine को कैसे control करेगा? It will reabsorb water. Reabsorption of H2O.
So what you see is that she will ask a question and then explain the answer, and this particular lady is superb. So some of the other features, if I look at study material, revision notes, and look at class 11, which is first year A level. These notes are really good. I went through some of these. So if I can show you, let's say mathematics, class 11 maths. Let's pick up one of these, say trigonometry functions. And you can download this. And if you take a look at the notes, here's a very quick preview of it, but you can see all the trigonometry functions are taken care of. All the key features of trigonometry. And you can see what they do is they send an email with a link to the PDF, which I can then download. Okay, one other feature, there's tests, there's previous exam paper questions, revision notes, formula sheet. I wanted to show you micro courses. This really is a chance to, this is a way to focus on a particular chapter within your subject. You can see them all. Once you've got the Pro Plus feature, you can see them all. But if I pick up biology, for example, if you wanted to focus on that only, then let's take a look. You can see that it's a course of duration, 6 hours. So all of them are like 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, which particularly focus on a topic. And you can see this was delivered on the 12th to the 25th. So that's a micro course. So the last feature I want to show you is Ask a Doubt. Now this only works on a phone. So I'm going to show you screenshots of the phone and show you how the whole process works now. So what you're seeing here are 3 screenshots that I took today. It only works on an Android phone, okay? It will not work on an iPhone. They're working on that, but so if everything goes well and you've paid your fees, then and only then will you see this Ask a Doubt feature. If I was to click on more, I guess this is what I would see. And here you can see the live classes, the PDFs, content. And if you were to click on here, that allows you to access the camera of your phone. And then you can take a picture, and you can see here is the process that we just went through. So again, I'm showing you 3 screenshots. This is the conversation which began with Sita taking a picture of her attempt. And then the person at the other end looked at Sita's solution, identified that it was correct, also took a photograph of the working and sent it, and there was a conversation back and forth. And then towards the end, you can see that that was really nice. Please do provide a future and happy learning and so forth. And then once the doubt is closed, this message comes up. You also have the doubt number as well, so you can see clearly what has been answered. So when you go to your My Doubt section, you can see all the questions that have been answered. And if you want more information, this is the lady that we were dealing with and her WhatsApp number. So enjoy. I thought I'd make this video for Vedantu and for all the families that are going to enjoy using this thing. I mean, I just loved it so much that I had to make this video for everybody. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye.